So data type, the item, and the array variable that we have declared for an array. So just we need to print system.out.println vowel. So if I want to print, if I want to print array values, we can use for each. So can you write a program to add the numbers in an array? So to add the numbers in an array. So I want, suppose if I give an array of the same, this is an array. So this is an array I have given. So I want to add all the values that are present in an array. So the output I should get as 1 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8. So 5, 10, 16, 23, 31. So I should get the output 31. Can you try this program using for each? Initially, you should declare the sum. Suppose int sum is equal to 0. So you need to declare this one because we are going to use the sum variable to add all the numbers. Will be storing all the values in sum. So can you try writing this program? What is the condition? How you are going to write? For what will be here? Data type is int and some number. So just add num. I'll give something. Add num is equal to what is here? Num, right? So what should I write here? What should I write here in the statements? In the body. In the body, what should I write?
Statement.
Huh?
Statement.
Yeah, what statement I should write? I need to add the numbers. So how I should write the how should I add to the sum? Sum is equal to sum plus what should I give? What should I give here? Sum plus
Array.
sum plus what should we get here? First, what we'll get?
A0 like that.
Add num, right?
Yes.
Why you people are thinking then? Outside for loop, I'm gonna print dot out dot println sum. So this has to print. This will give the result 31. Can you try this program now? Because we will loop until all the array is completed, then that sum will be stored here. So we are printing after coming out of the loop, we are printing the total value of the sum. So here why I'm writing sum is equal to sum plus add num, because I need to add all the numbers that are coming. So for int first, what will be the sum value? 0. 0 plus what is the first value? 1. 0 plus 1, 1. In sum it will be initially it will be 1. Okay, then the for loop will go and get the second number. So what is the value of sum here?
1.
1. What is the second value now? Add num?
4.
4. So now it will be 5, right? Sum will be 5. So now it will go and fetch this, the third number, third number, 5, right? Sum is already 5 plus
5.
5, it will be 10. Then it will go back and bring the other number 6. So sum is already 10, 10 plus 6, 16. Okay. So next it will go back and bring this next number 7. Already sum is 16, 16 plus 7, 23. So it will go back and bring the last number 8. Sum is already 23, 23 plus 8, it will be 31. So now it will go and check, it's already the array is completed. So it will come out and print the sum, whatever the sum that is stored will be printed here. Understood? No? Come on, respond, man. Have you understood or not?
Yeah, I understood.
Ajay?
Yes, sir. Actually, I'm trying to write the program.
Oh, okay. Ram? Who else joined?
Yeah, understood.
Okay. So today Usha has not joined it again. Okay. So yeah, can you write this program, please? Write this program and try to execute it. Don't worry about my program. Try to write yours. Have you done?
Yes, sir. Done.
Is it coming 31?
Yeah.
Okay. So suppose if we change the number to -8, okay, 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, -8, what will be the output? just change the number to -8, then it has to print 23 minus 8. What is 23? 15, right? Everyone done? So if you see the same program I'm writing in for, okay, public class Java. So I think the problem is with the Java name, okay, class name. So for int I is equal to 0, I less than num dot length I plus plus system dot out dot println num of I. So it's printing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So whatever the numbers that I'm giving here, okay, using for int I is equal to 0, I less than num dot length, because we need to reduce the length. Suppose the length of an array is 6, because we are starting with 0, because array starts with an index 0, so it should be less than, not less than or equal to. Okay, so the length will be 6. So I less than 6. When it comes to 6, it will exit out of the loop. So num of I. So num of I is num of 0. Num of 0 is 1, right? Normally, how you are going to get num of 0? So we can print like this: num of 0, num of 1, num of 2, num of 3, like this we can print. So if I can also print, 1 second, s out num of, I think I already told you about this, num of 0, okay, system dot out dot println num of 1, okay, like this I can print all the values without using the for loop. So sorry. Oh. Right. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what it is gonna print now? So I no need to bother about this for loop. Okay, I no need to bother about this for loop. Now if I execute this, it will print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So see. So here see the length. What is the length of an array? Size. What is the size of an array here? Length of an array 5, right? Because the index has started with 0. Num of 0 is 1. Num of 1 is 2. Num of 3 is 3. Num of 4 is 4. Num of 5 is 5. Num of 5 is 6. So index, the array starts with an index. So that's why we need to give for int I is equal to 0, I less than, instead of less than or equal to. If you give less than or equal to, then you need to give, you can give -1. Length, num dot length -1. This also works. So now I'll print both of them. Okay. So it will print 2 times. So how many times it's printing? 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 4. Because 2 times it's printing here 1, here 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. It is printing because first time it will print 1, next time 2, like this. It will be printing twice. So have you understand why we are writing I less than instead of I less than or equal to? Because the index starts with, array index starts with 0. You can take this program. So the same program, if you want to write in for each loop, we don't need to write all these. Just we write the data type, the item, and the array. So no increment, nothing, length or nothing. We are not writing any initialization. So int I is equal to 0, we are not initializing, we are not getting the length, we are not incrementing it in for each loop. While loop start condition checking, it will be checking the condition. If it is true, then it will go and print the statements. If the condition is false, it will exit. So if the condition is true, it will print the statement and come back, and again it will loop. So it will be looping like this. So program will start and check the condition. If the condition is true, it will execute the statements and come back, and again it will check the condition, execute the statements. It will be the looping. So if when the condition is false, then it will come out of the for loop. So here, this is the syntax: while boolean in the condition statement 1. Okay, this is the syntax of the while. Can you write a program to print the numbers 1 to 5 while using while? Can you write a program to print the numbers 1 to 5 using while loop? Can you able to write or not?
Yes.
Everyone. So first declare int I is equal to 1.
1.
Okay. Then, so how many times we need to iterate? How many times we need to iterate? 5 times, right? 5 numbers. I want to print 5 numbers. N is equal to 5. Okay. Then while I, what is the condition here? What is the condition that we need to write?
Less
We
than
have
or
declared I is equal to 1, N is equal to
Less
5.
than.
I less than or equal to N, right? Then system dot out dot println. Is it right? Then we need to increment I plus plus. Statements I plus plus. This is the syntax: while, condition, statements, and the increment. Okay. So what happens? While I less than or equal, I is 1 and N is 5, 1 less than or equal to 5, it's 2, it will come and print 1, then I will be incremented to 2. So it will go here, 2 less than or equal to 5, it's true, it will come print, and I will be incremented, it will be looping like this. So I will be incremented in the body. I will be incremented in the body here in the for loop. Can you write? Can you write and run the program? So I'm printing. So I'm taking Java 6 public static void main. So I'm initializing int I is equal to 0 comma int I is equal to 0, comma n is equal to 5. I can declare like this. Okay. No need to give separate. If the same variable in data type is same, then I can declare like this also. Okay. Int I is equal to 0 and comma n is equal to 5. That means both are integer values. If they are both, if there are same data types, then I can declare like this, comma, by keeping comma. Okay. While I less than or equal to n, I'm opening, then s out, print I, okay, then increment I. Okay. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because I have given I is equal to 0, so it is printing from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 until 5. So if I want to print the reverse in the reverse order 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, then how we are going to do? I want to print it in the reverse order. In the decreasing order. How we are gonna write the condition here? No response. At least one should respond.
I is equal to 5, we have to declare like this.
Okay, if the same declaration, can't you write the condition for the same declaration? Int I is equal to 0, n is equal to 5. Can't you change the condition?
I equal to 5.
Why we need to change? Why we need to change the value I is equal to 5? Can you use n, right? Instead of I, can we use n, right? Already we had declared 0 and 5. So I want to print the value first 5, then 4, 3, 2, 1. So
N
n, yeah,
Less the
n greater than or equal to I. So
Yeah.
yes.
what is the here? What is the value? Do I need to increment or decrement?
I minus minus.
Yeah, I need to
decrement
decrement,
I minus.
right? Because n is greater than or equal to I. Because n is 5, so 5 should be always n should be always greater than or equal to I. If you keep less than or equal to, then 5 less than or equal to 0, it will be false. Immediately the condition becomes false, then it won't print anything. Right? Now it will print. What is this? What is this? It's learning infinite loop. What's the wrong here?
I think condition is wrong.
Okay. 5. Okay. N is 5. 5 less than or equal, 5 greater than or equal to 0. Is it condition true or false? 5 greater than or equal to
It's
0.
greater than.
True.
It's true.
Okay. So let me debug it. Okay. I is 0 because it is starting from 0. That is the problem. Okay. So 5 greater than or equal to 0. Is it true or false?
True.
8 is
Okay.
true.
It is coming. What is the I value? Do we need to print I or N here?
N values.
N value.
And
So that is the problem. So now if we see I is 0, okay, it is coming I minus minus. It is I minus minus 0, 0 minus minus.
Minus
So what
1.
happens? It will be negative values, right?
yeah,
So that's why it is printing all the negative values instead of positive values. Okay. So N, now if you print, it is looping. It is infinite loop. Only 5 is printing. Why? It is an infinite loop. So it will be, this is an infinite loop.
Yes.
So why it is giving infinite loop?
We need to use decrement. We need to use, for N, we have to N minus.
Yeah, we need to use N minus minus. Right? Because we are using I minus minus, we are decrementing I, but we are not decrementing N. Right? So that's why it's infinite loop. Now if you see, so 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Now it has printed. Okay. So how we are gonna do infinite loop? Can you write a program to do infinite loop? Can you write a program to do infinite loop? So just what we need to do, just pass the true here and system.out.println. Okay. I'm gonna keep infinite loop. Okay, always condition is true, so it will be keep on looping continuously until we stop the program. So it will be running continuously. So until we stop the program. So this way they may ask you to write a program to for infinite loop using while. Okay. So just true, pass the condition true. If it is true, always true only, right? So it will keep on looping continuously. Okay. Until it has, until we execute, until we stop the program. Do you understand while? Can you write some more programs? Can you practice it? Some more programs. I'll give today. I'll give some questions on to write programs for nested for if and while. I'll give some programs. So please try to write a program. Okay, for each also. Okay. So this is about for. Okay. Next one is do while. This is about while. Next one is do while. What is the difference between do while and while? While and do while? What is the difference between while and do while? So in the while, it will check the condition. If the condition is true, then only it will execute. First checks in while. First it will check condition. It will check condition, then it will execute. But in do while, first iteration, whatever the first iteration will be executed first. first condition, first iteration will be executed first, and then check the condition. So without checking the condition, it will be executed one statement. One statement will be executed before checking the condition in do while. So if you see the syntax, then you'll come to know syntax. So loop is executed once before the test condition. Okay. Loop. So loop is executed once before checking the condition. So they'll ask you in interview what is the difference between do while and while. So this is the difference. Loop is executed once before checking the condition. Do while first check the condition, then it will execute. So here one statement will be printed before we execute the before we check the condition. So here the syntax is do body of the loop okay, then while condition. Okay, this is the syntax. So first what happens, it will come here, it will execute this body, then it will come out and check the condition. So if the condition is true, then it will go back and execute the loop, come out, check the condition, go out, come back. So it will be looping like this. So it is starting here from do. So it is printing the body first, okay, then checking the condition, right? So without checking the condition, the first statement is printing, right? Without checking the condition, whatever the statements that are present in the body are printing, then checking the condition. So now if you write a program, you'll understand more. Have you understood this one? Have you understood?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So go to the program now. We'll execute one program, then we'll understand. Okay. Can you print? Can you print the numbers? Okay. Can you print the numbers 1 to 5? Can you print the numbers 1 to 5 using do while? Can you print the numbers 1 to 5 do while using do while? So public static void main. So what you're going to do here in the do while? Do we need to declare? Do we need to declare or not? So if I want to print 1 to 5, same int I is equal to 1, I is equal to 1, n is equal to 5. Okay. So do what will be the body? System dot. I'm going to print some statements. Okay. Hello. Then I'm going to write while I less than or equal to 5. Is that fine? Is this fine? I less than or equal to n, sorry. Is this fine?
Increment.
Increment, where I should keep increment?
After the statement.
After the statement.
Here.
I plus plus. Okay. Now, what will be the output now? What will be the output? Tell me, what will be the output? So it will start here. The program will start here. It will come here. Is it gonna print hello?
Yes, it will print. It did not check the condition first one.
Yeah. So it won't check the condition. So it will print this statement first before checking the condition. Then it will come and check the condition. So what will be the output now? Can you guess? Why it is hello, 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 hello 5 times? Why it is 5 times hello, hello?
You have to give almost
It's incrementing the value of I.
Okay. Can I give this statement? Can I give this statement after here? Okay. I'll give like this. What happens now? What happens now? What happened? Why 6? Why 6? It is printing 6 outside the while, do while. Why it is printing outside do while? 6. So you're not able to think. So first I is equal to 1. Okay. So it will come print hello I plus plus. So I will be increment I 1 less than or equal to 5 is true. It is going to go. So system dot out dot println, it will be printing I plus plus 2. So 2 less than or equal to 5. It will be looping until the condition fails. So when the condition fails, I value incremented to 6. 6 less than or equal to 5. The condition is false. Then it will come and print I value 6. Right? When the condition is failed, what is I value?
6.
6. So it is coming and printing the value 6 here. So if I remove this one, now I'll keep plus I. Okay. Then I'll execute. What will be the output now? What will be the output?
It will print just hello. Oh no.
Hello?
first one, it will print
What will be the output now?
Hello one.
hello 1, hello 2.
Hello 1, hello 2, hello 3, hello 4, hello 5. Because we are incrementing here. If you don't increment, what will be the output? If you don't increment, what will be the output?
I value is 1, it is less than.
You just print hello.
Hello one, hello one, hello one.
Okay. Yeah, it is printing hello 1, hello 1, hello 1 infinite times.